If you've been injured, the insurance company that you hear from is not there to help you.
Don't get bullied by insurance companies. Call Jason Ernest and bully them back at 775-727-9500.
Even though the amount levied per property owner isn't that much, the public wanted to know just what the tax covered. Daniel Randalls of the Division of Water Resources was on the phone and explained what the collected levy is used for.
Pahrump Valley, we do an assessment, and while it seems very large, it is at $121,000 this year. We do take into account how many parcels are in the area, and per NRS 534040, paragraph 2, and by guidance by Department of Taxation, that levy is a flat rate against each taxable parcel. And I've coordinated that with the assessor's office and verified that number this morning, that charge would be $2.38 a parcel. We at Water Resources, we're at the time that we're trying to manage these basins and do as I believe the chair mentioned, doing our best to manage these basins. We do a water level measurements, and we do an inventory in Pahrump Valley, in addition to items that are available on our website at water.nv.gov, maps and so forth that are all accessible. And if anybody has any questions, how to access that, they can call our direct line office at 775-684-2800, and any of the staff that's on hand, today or whatever day you call in should be able to help you with that. I imagine that that this assessment will go up. I don't expect, that it's going to go up, significantly per parcel. It's, we're trying to do as much as we can within the basin, at a particular rate. I do expect it will go up as the cost of us doing business in these areas is, it's constantly going up, as I'm sure the county sees as well. We're not trying to create a rainy day fund or anything like that. What we assess is our operating fee or funds for that basin for this next coming year. Moving on to the other basins, Upper East Valley, Big Smoky Valley, White River Valley, and Amargosa Valley, those assessments are done a little bit differently, also in accordance with NRS 534040, Section 3, that each holder of a water right is assessed based on the amount of water that they have appropriated or have certificated. Again, and this is all groundwater rights within that basin, whether it be for irrigation, municipal, quasi-municipal. In this case, no one is exempt. A federal entity or a state entity has a water right. They are subject to this assessment as well. When you see these, it's providing for the additional work that our office does that's above and beyond the typical work that we would do in a basin.